Today we will discuss topological sort. A topological sorting of a directed acyclic graph G is a linear ordering of its vertices such that U, V belongs to a set, then U appears before V in the ordering. That is, if UV is a net directed edge, then in the ordering of these vertices, U should appear before V. This is the concept. Let us think about its applications. See in the figure, you can see different coarse codes. The vertices of the graph is nothing but the coarse code. See a course 143, and in the graph it is very clear that you should finish 142 before joining 143. That is, you have to finish the prerequisites before joining a course. So in what order we can take all these courses? Then let us consider another example, that is, while you installing a software, you need a lot of packages supporting this software. So you have to install the prerequisite packages before going to install a software or a package. So in what order you will be installing these packages? So these are the real-time application of this topological sort. Next, let us see the algorithm of this sorting. You will select the vertices with in degree equal to 0 first. That is the vertices with no incoming edges. If no such vertices, the graph is not acyclic, the topological sort is not possible. Once you identify such vertices whose in degree equal to 0, you will be selecting one. Then you have to remove the selected vertex and its outgoing edges from the graph. Then you will be getting a new graph. Then you have to output the selected vertex. And you will be repeating these steps until the graph is empty. Let us see an example. On this graph, vertices A and F has in degree equal to 0. Let us select A. Then what you have to do? Remove A and its outgoing edges. You will be getting a new graph, output A. See, in this new graph, B and F has in degree equal to 0. So now you are selecting B. You are removing B and outgoing edges and outputting B. You are getting a new graph. In this graph, C and F, C and F, sorry, C and F as in degree vertex in degree equal to 0. You are selecting C, you are outputting C, you are getting a new graph. And you can see D and F as in degree equal to 0. You are selecting D, outputting D, you are getting a new graph with vertex E and F. You are selecting E, you are outputting E, you are getting a new graph. Then you are selecting F and you are outputting it. So this is the ordering obtained by topological sort. You can see CE is an edge in the graph. So according to the concept, C should appear before E in the sorting. C appears before E. So this ordering is correct. Next, let us see how to implement this. You can use an array and a queue for the implementation. You are storing the in degree of all the vertices in the array D, and you are initializing the queue by adding the vertices with in degree equal to 0. Then you are coming to a while loop, and while queue not empty, dequeue and output a vertex. You are taking a vertex from the queue and outputting it. Then reduce the in degree of all vertices adjacent to it by 1. That is, actually you are removing one vertex and removing the its outgoing edges. When you decrease the in degree by 1, some of these vertex will get in degree value equal to 0. Such vertex are added to the queue, that is NQ, any of these vertices whose in degree becomes 0. Once you are coming out of this while loop, you have to check, have you output all these vertices. If all vertices are there in the output, then the sorting is success. Otherwise, there is a cycle. The time complexity of this algorithm is big O size of vertex set plus size of edge set. It is linear time. Thank you.